Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're here to talk about the history of Griot's Garage random orbital polishers. Griot's Garage has been selling a random orbital since very early on in our company's history. Our goal has always been to sell a tool that was reliable, easy to use, and capable of professional results. Over the years, Griot's Garage has continued to refine our tools, resulting in this, the fourth generation of our proprietary professional-grade random orbitals, the G9. We introduced our first random orbital system in 1992, when machine polishing was reserved primarily for experienced detailers and refinishers. Since then, we have refined and improved the performance, comfort, and effectiveness of these time-saving and safe machines through 4 generations, starting in 2006 with our first in-house design tool. Increases to motor output, a higher level of ergonomics like rubber touch points, advancements in internal gear design, and upgrades in counterweight construction are all improvements that we have made along the way. Not to mention the 8 other orbitals and polishers that we have developed along the way, including our 3-inch random orbital, the 2 Boss long throw orbitals, and our many pneumatic orbital options. Our best known of these tools was the 3rd generation 6-inch random orbital, sometimes referred to as the GG6. This machine was introduced in 2012 and has been the most reputable, highest reviewed, highest sales volume random orbital in the world since that time. It had a great amount of power, could be adapted for a lot of different purposes, and could be picked up and used by a total novice or as part of a professional's arsenal alongside tools that were more specialized and 3 times the price. As that tool's life continued, we looked to the future for how we could take that platform and make it even better. The new G9 random orbital contains the latest and greatest technological advancements and blends everything we've learned from over 27 years of selling random orbitals into a single tool. We've lived our slogan and taken the best that exists and made it better. This evolution began with a simple napkin drawing and ended with the most feature-rich machine on the market. And we have 6 patents pending and every worldwide certification possible to prove it. Beyond the machine's 1,000 watts of power and 9mm orbit, the G9 features a patent-pending, fan-cooled counterbalance and an advanced temperature management system to ensure a long service life, as well as consistent, repeatable results. You'll also appreciate the G9's balance when you hold it in your hands, the comfort of the trigger design, the smooth running motor, and how easy it is to control. With this machine, we have advanced the random orbital's potential once again and have designed and executed a machine that you will enjoy for years to come. Thank you for watching. For more information on our G9 random orbital polisher, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.